Hey everyone, it's Ashley, your independent Scentsy consultant. So I wanted to hop on here and share the party I closed with you guys. So one of the items is on back order, so this did take a little bit longer to get to me because that still hasn't shipped. But it was all delayed. You guys know the drill. So I just wanted to pop on and share a couple things. I did get the whiff box in this, which I already shared with you guys. Just some like random businessy supplies. I got 2 of the scented stickers, Jeweled Pomegranate and Autumn Hearth. I picked up like some host join flyers. I got my Harvest collection flyers, which I'm so excited about. I got those labeled for you guys last night, and they'll be going out very, very soon. So I do want to share the scent circles I picked up. I got 3 of the scent of the month, which is Vanilla Blackberry. You guys, this is so good, especially for this time of year. Try it, pick it up. It's so good. I love it. And then I also got some just like, those will probably be for customers. I'm like debating keeping one, but it's really, really good. So check it out. But these are also for customers. I got Graham Cracker Crunch, Cinnamon Buttercream, Salted Caramel Toffee, Almond Croissant, Johnny Appleseed, and Perfectly Pomegranate. So there are those. Oh, things are going to be falling. I have quite the pile going, like my table's not big enough. So I also got the 2 cleaning bundles in Autumn Road Trip and Cider Mill, which came with hand soaps. I love that they came with hand soaps this year. This is the Autumn Road Trip. And then we have the Cider Mill. I'm so excited about these. I'm probably gonna start with the Autumn Road Trip. And I don't even care if I like don't finish it by a certain date. I'll probably just like switch over to using the Cider Mill, just because like I want to get use out of both of them and I don't want to like delay it too long. I don't know, like I'll just start using one. I don't care. Okay, and then I did get a 6-pack of pods. So I got Welcome Home, Vanilla Bean Buttercream. I've never tried this in the pods, so I'm really excited to. Farm Stand Pumpkin, Bright Cider Life, Pumpkin Roll, and Apple and Cinnamon Sticks. So really excited about those to get some fall pods. I really only had, like, I'm using random scents like Amazon Rain, like, until my fall pods had come. So I'm so excited those are here finally. And then for my wax I picked up the new Aladdin scent, which, you guys, this literally is taking me back to my childhood. I think the notes are like plum, blueberry, cranberry, and blackberry or raspberry or something like that. It literally reminds me kind of a blue raspberry slushie, or like those little blue Tootsie Rolls. I don't know what the brand of them were. Like something, I can't put my finger on it, but like something from my childhood. So I need to get this one going ASAP in my house to like really test it. I picked up, this is the 6-pack of wax I picked up. I got Clean Breeze. I love this one. Such like, it literally reminds me of doing laundry with my mom when I was younger. I like love the scent of it. It's definitely my favorite out of the laundry scented products that I've tried. Also, before I forget, in the actual laundry products, I do believe this Clean Breeze is referred to as Scentsy Clean in the laundry. So just so you know, I think those are the same scent. Aloe Water and Cucumber. I picked up Almond Croissant. Love this one, you guys. If you're a bakery person, get on this. If you like bakery but you don't like super vanilla things or super like spice heavy bakery things, try Almond Croissant. It's like the perfect bakery that's neither of those things. And then I got some apple cherry strudel. I've been in love with apple cherry strudel, you guys. It's such a good, like, I feel like that's what I want baked apple pie to be. But baked apple pie is so spicy to my nose. Like, I want it to be this scent. I love the apple cherry strudel. And then I got 2 graham cracker crunches. This is Corey and I's favorite. It literally smells like you're baking like those peanut butter cookies or something. Like, it doesn't smell like the peanut butter that you open a jar of peanut butter. It's like baked. Like, it's the peanut butter you use after you've like put it in the oven with your bakery stuff. Oh, it's so good. And I'm definitely going to be mixing it with some Hug in a Mug, which is like a chocolate scented wax we have, because I can already imagine that's going to be divine. So lastly, I picked up a warmer. This is not including my item that's on back order, but I picked up the Mirrored Rosé warmer. I just want to show you what it looks like in the catalog, because I feel like it's gonna look a lot better, but that's kind of what I was going off of. But I'm so excited to see it in person. I feel like it's gonna be a totally different experience. Okay, I feel like I'm knocking stuff over. Okay, so here we go. I might try to put the cleaning bundles on the ground though, because I don't want this to like get knocked by anything. Ooh, okay, now I feel like I have more room at least. Okay, Mirrored Rosé. Here we go. I've seen some people hauling this. Some of my customers have picked this up, so like, I'm excited. This is your dish, I'm assuming. Someone was saying in their video that all the glass warmers have styrofoam, and now I've like really been aware of that, so it's funny. I've never noticed it before, but now I've really been aware of it. Oh my god. You guys, get out of here. It's stunning already. Okay. And I think I'm gonna put it literally like right there. I haven't quite decided yet. Okay. I'm really like not showing you and unwrapping the cord, but I really want to plug it in, so. Okay. So, this is obviously in the packaging. We have the light bulb inside, which I do believe, yes, is 25 watts. It's like very much more pink than I was expecting. I think I was thinking it would be more like blush, but it's like rose almost colored. Rosé. Oh my gosh. But are these, I can't tell if these specks are like painted on or like chipped away from the paint to make them gold. I just can't tell. Oh my gosh, it looks so cool. I think like the light will shine out of them more. Okay, screw the light bulb in. I feel like this one's gonna be like fairly bright, but I feel like a lot of the glass warmers are fairly bright just because they're not as opaque. Okay, I feel like I'm still out of room. Okay, let's do our dish as well. And the dish is like a frosted pink as well. It has the number 4 on the bottom. So whether that means to you to use 4 cubes or to not go over 4, I would definitely not recommend going over 4 cubes in a warmer that has the number 4 on the bottom, because that would be just a lot of cubes in one warmer. Gonna see if I can use the box as like a tabletop stand here. Okay, oh my gosh, okay. Let's give it a plug in. The plug-in's really far back here. Okay, I'm like totally behind it. All right, ready? Oh, let's see if we can. So cool. Oh my gosh. You guys, look at that. Oh wow, this is stunning. And it's still like very like blush looking, even though it's lit up. And then I'm gonna turn it back off. And it's very much like still blush slash rose. The gold it's the gold for me. Like, I absolutely love this. This is stunning. And I feel like it's gonna be a pretty good performer because it's a 25 watt. Like, I feel like my 25 watt glass warmers do fairly well. So, just saying. Okay, I'm really excited about this. I'm definitely gonna set this up. I think I'm literally gonna put it like right back here between these two. Because I have like Miss Bailey down here, and you know, so I feel like that's gonna be the best place for it. So I'm so excited. In my next video, you'll probably see it set up already. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. What have you guys picked up from the new fall winter catalog, or what do you have your eye on? Which warmer do you think is gonna be your favorite? This is definitely the first one I was like, I have to pick this up. Like, if I only get one, it has to be this one. But I do have quite a few other ones on my list of things to get. So probably during my next party closeouts, you guys will be seeing more warmer hauls. So thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys next time. Have a great day. Bye.